Hello students, today I am going to discuss the topic Human Development Report. This Human Development Report that published by the UNDP, that is United Nations Development Program, to compare the countries based on the educational levels, health status and per capita income. We have discussed that World Bank's report, development report, in that countries or different states or regions that are compare or measure on the basis of the per capita income only. But in the case of this HDR, that is Human Development Report, countries are that compare on the basis of education, health and per capita income. Let's discuss importance of Human Development Index. First point, it indicates the level of development of a country. So UNDP, this Human Development Index that helps to measure the development of a country. Second one, it indicates to a country how far it has traveled and how far it has yet to travel to achieve high ranks in matters such as per capita income of the people, how much this particular country has traveled and then how much they have to achieve in the near future on the basis of the per capita income of the people. So these matters discussed in this importance of Human Development Index. And the third point is to know the important welfare elements such as life expectancy, literacy, educational level of people and health status. So all these aspects about the particular country we can measure easily with the help of the Human Development Index or Human Development Report. On the basis of the report, they prepare the developmental ranks. So it would be interesting to look at certain relevant data regarding India and its neighbors from Human Development Report 2019. So in this table that mention the countries Sri Lanka, India, Myanmar, Pakistan, Nepal and Bangladesh. And these countries per capita income, life expectancy at birth, that schooling, mean years of schooling of people aged 25 and above and corresponding HDI rank in the world based on 2018 data are given. So in this you can compare that Sri Lanka, India, Myanmar, Pakistan, Nepal and Bangladesh. In this Sri Lanka that shows highest per capita income and then life expectancy that is 75.5. Then if we compare with this India and Sri Lanka, it shows more per capita income, more life expectancy and the mean years of schooling of people age 25 and above, that also shows more percentage. And the HDI rank, that is India's rank is 130 on the basis of the 2018 data and the Sri Lanka's rank is 76. So isn't it surprising that a small country in our neighborhood, Sri Lanka, is much ahead of India in every respect, and a big country like ours has such a long rank in the world. So in this table also shows that though Nepal and Bangladesh have low per capita income than that of India, yet they are better than India in life expectancy. So based on this information given in the table, we can conclude that our country's development, or we are saying that our country is developing, that means we have to go more for to accomplish our quality level or better standard of living to the people. So students, I hope you understood this class. Then I will come with more videos related with this chapter. Until then, bye.